Alright, so you see that stuff down there? That's comfrey. I put that in the salve, and today, it started frosting this morning, like really early. I work third shift, so I just got up. It's like, well, it's 5 now, but I got up at like 3:45. Anyway, so I'm gonna harvest all that stuff, tie it up, and hang it up on the ceiling, get it dried and ready for use. Cat. His name is Masamichi. Here's my pile of herbs. Here's the chair that I'm gonna stand on. Okay, guess we'll see. Okay, so all hung up. And it's already dark. Okay, so this is a typical tin of my salve. And this is the 1 ounce container. I currently have in stock 4 ounce jars. This is the stuff that I make for Marcus, my fiance. I put it in yogurt containers and in coconut oil containers. He uses it a lot. He has really bad dermatitis, eczema, skin allergies, things like that. And so he pretty much uses this all over his body every day. I make this with 9 different herbs, and a bunch of them, like, I think 6 or 7 of them are from my garden. And so he uses it for that. I use it for, like, burns, cuts, scrapes, yeast infections, stuff like that. That's what I use it for and what my kids use it for. One of my children also has dermatitis, eczema. It's not as severe though, so she only needs it seasonally, but she uses my body butter and then this salve as well. And so he actually had to go on a different diet that where he can't eat oils, meat. Everything has to be raw or, like freshly cooked and things like that. Since he started that diet, and I went on it with him, and so did the kids at first, just to kind of like detox our bodies. And then, so that happened for, I guess, 6-7 months for us. And then he's been on it longer at this point now. We started eating meat again, but in moderation. And I still pretty much don't cook with oil. It's pretty rare for me to cook with oil. And I've noticed a huge difference in digestion. And then, of course, he's noticing a huge difference in his digestion. And then also, you know, since those toxins aren't being released through his skin has gotten loads better. So much better. There's a guy that we found on YouTube that, okay, his name is Rob Stewart. I'll put his website, or not his website, but his YouTube channel down in the description box if you have similar skin issues. A lot of people with eczema and dermatitis, they either are told or find that hydrocortisone works for them and helps during flare-ups, but really that's bad, because as my fiance has found out over time, that actually, you know, really thins the skin. It damages the skin. Steroid cream. It's not something that you really want to be putting on your skin. So at this point, he's pretty much completely replaced the hydrocortisone with my salve at this point. In very rare circumstances, he will still use it, which Rob Stewart highly is against. He doesn't want people to use hydrocortisone at all. And of course, we've gotten, you know, trying to get to that goal, but he hasn't quite gotten there yet. But his skin, I mean, that diet really works for people like him, because I mean his skin has become significantly better. I mean, it was pretty bad before. He was constantly miserable before, and now it's like he still has some hiccups with his skin, especially if he cheats on his diet, but mostly he's doing really good. So the salve that I have, I'm gonna put an annotation somewhere for you guys to be able to buy that. It is currently on sale on Etsy. On the homepage of my channel, you'll see on the cover picture that there's a up at Etsy. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap up this video now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me work in my garden, which was probably really boring. Thank you if you watched this far and didn't click away. Alright, you guys have a great day.